Today I'm going to show you how you can create a dynamic distribution group using a custom attribute. For this we need to go to our Exchange Admin Center. We need to go to groups, add a group. Over here we'll get an option to create a dynamic distribution. I'll click on next. We need to enter the name of the group, test-ddl. If you want to enter the description, you can enter that for other administrators so that they are aware what exactly is going on in the organization. I'll leave it as blank for now. Now let's click on next, and we need to enter owner details over here. So I'll keep Abhinav as the owner of the group. So dynamic distribution group is basically a group wherein you have to put in some conditions on basis of which the mailboxes or the user mailboxes gets added to that particular group on its own. You don't do it manually. So owner don't need to add a group, remove a group from the DDG. However, it happens all in the background. You just have to create a dynamic query, or else you need to give certain conditions on basis of which it can select the user mailboxes which needs to be added to the group. So herein the first option that we get is all recipient types. That is, be it a shared mailbox, be it a user mailbox, and be it any group, anything, all of which would be added to the group. However, we want to make use of custom attribute here so that only a particular user or a particular set of users will be added to the group. So I'll do only for the following exchange recipient types. Now I want to keep it for the users who has an exchange mailbox in my environment. So there might be mail users which have an external email address but do not have a user mailbox in my organization, or could be a resource mailbox, could be mail contacts with external email addresses, could be mail enabled groups. So mail enabled groups could be like a distribution group, could be a mail enabled security group, etc. So I'll choose as users with exchange mailboxes for now. Now I want to select a condition basically, and over here I'll choose the custom attribute 1, which has a value CVS. I'll click on next. So we need to enter the group email address that we want. So it could be anything as per your email address policy standardization that you have in your company. So I'll click on next over here. I'll get the option to review and finish adding the group. I'll hit create group. It might take a while to add the group. So great. It says test DDL is created, but it isn't ready to use yet. Also, the membership of the DDL or the dynamic distribution list or group, anything you can say. So it updates every 24 hours. So let's suppose there are a set of users in your company, who are already a part of this distribution group. However, there's a new user that needs to be added to this group. So you'll definitely set up the custom attribute value for that user, and it will be automatically added to this group. You don't need to do anything from your end. It is just the custom attribute that you need to set up. However, it won't be instantaneous, so it might take up to 24 hours for the group membership to be updated. All right, great. So the group has been created. Now we'll quickly check the members of this group who all are added to the group. So I'll go to the groups section here in the Exchange Admin Center. I'll go to dynamic distribution list, test DDL. So here it is. The general information, the name, description, the members, owners for this. So I'll click on view all members. So as of now, there are no members in this dynamic distribution group because it might take up to 24 hours to update the list. So in my next video, I'll quickly show you, while covering some other topic that the members have been added to this dynamic distribution group. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.